Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do another 3D pen doodling session, and I'm going to be doing the watermelon. I have the book, but you don't need the book. It might be hard to get the correct sizing though. I'm going to be using red for the inner part, black for the seeds, light green and dark green for the crust, and yeah, that's it, so let's go. I'm going to start doing the dark green circle. It should look like this. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So let's go. Don't worry about any hairy things that's sticking out, because now we're going in with the light green on the inner circle. So let's go. It's a very slow process. You have to go multiple layers, and if you're not patient, it won't work. Now, let's do the other side. Now I've changed to my red ink, and I'm going to start just slowly going across my watermelon. While you're at it, you can do the same on the other side. So we just need to finish this side, do the seeds, and do the strip in the middle, and then we can assemble our beautiful watermelon. So let's get started on the next side. Now we're going to assemble this line. We're just going to fill it in, and then we can start putting together our nice juicy watermelon. Now the last thing we must do is take our black and make some dots on our watermelon. So let's go. Now that our watermelon is complete, we just need to assemble it. But first we need to peel off our pieces. Now we're going to snip off all the little tiny hairs we have sticking out. First step of assembling is putting the two pieces on top of each other. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a nice swiggle pattern. And now we're going to stick the watermelons together. Now we've decided to put the line right there and then put something pushing on it so that when we use our pen, we can hold it in between so it will stick better than having to quickly rush it on. Now let's do the other side. I've decided to add in some of the dark green, just to help it look a bit more presentable. And now I'm just going to cut it again, just to make sure that there's no last strands left from all that red and green that I just put in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Bye!